Bandeko. Wewe hauwezi kuwa Kongolezi juba Kongomani. Sheko tutuko na mali mingi, madiama, mbahoro, sape za kwanza, sape zinatokaka kwetu Kongo. Parfait qualité numéro 1. Sie ba Kongomani ndio yenye tunajipuliza. Wewe unaweza kuwa Mkongomani ya wewe. Toi, tiens mon laisse.
Jamais. Haiko mugabo muratwenza. Wowe ni wa Burundi. Twebwe abarundi turisa. Turafise abakenyezi beza. Abagabo baradukunda. Twebwe tubaho muraha. Ntacyo tuzi. Wowe usutya. Jamais. Rero ntabwo uri Umurundi. Wowe uri Umunyarwanda.
Vous savez qui, madame? Uyu mukobwa ni umuganga. Nibo basabutse nibo bareba gutya. Je nta kintu namufasha. Nta Munyarwanda ugana. Nta Munyarwanda ugana. Abanyarwanda twishakira ibisubizo. Turi no. Umuco n'umwe, ururimi rumwe, intego n'imwe. Turi abanyarwanda. Haguye umuganga stop.
She can also be Burundian or Congolese. But she can't or she will never be Ugandan. As Ugandan, we are hard work. We have self-confidence. We have money, safety. We can't spend our time and crying on the street. I can't help a lazy girl.
Je suis née au Burundi. Ma mère est congolaise, de père et de mère. Mon père est rwandais. J'ai fait mes études en Ouganda. Et maintenant, je travaille au Tanzanie. But still, I don't know where I belong. You know why? When I'm at my father's place, they say that I don't belong there. That my blood is mixed. When I reach at my mother's place, they say that Kabila mtoto ni baba yake. And in Uganda, they said it's because in Rwanda, education is poor. That's why we come to study. And here comes my workmates in Tanzania, saying that where there is money, that's where we go. But why me? Is there anyone who have chosen his or her nationality? Is there anyone who chose the color of his skin or parents? Now tell me, where should I go? Where have I been mistaken?
Why does our physical appearance lie to us, as if we are the one to choose? Why do we blame others for the mistake they never did? Is there someone who chooses the color of his skin or birthplace? Ukituzanya amahoro. Mahoro kuri mwe ndetse n'abanyumva bose. Amakimbirane turayahorana. Ibyakabaye intanda yo kukubuza guseka. Amahoro ku mutima, masakari ku mutima, asesekare ku munwa. Wifurize n'abo batayafite, amahoro muvandimwe. Amahoro, 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 amahoro.